Hello friends! Today, we're going to see how to use the Turntable feature in Adobe Illustrator. For this example, I'm using a motorbike vector art. You can download this design from the link given in the description. Now, let's select the design. After that, go to the top menu, click on Object, then scroll down and click on Generative. There, you'll find the Turntable option. Click on it. As soon as you click, Illustrator will start generating multiple views of the design. It might take a few seconds. If you click the down arrow, it will show the top view. If you click the up arrow, it will show the bottom view. You can rotate it up to 120 degrees.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you click on the plus icon, it will create a duplicate of the design, and the best part is, you can rotate the duplicate however you like. Next, you'll see an option called Place All Views in Canvas. Once you click it, all the generated views will appear together in one place. This feature is very useful for animators, as it helps save a lot of time. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing more videos like this for you. Thank you for watching.